It's Coach Melissa here from Sincerely Creative Mom. I am one of the coaches inside the Deco Exchange Design School. We are going to embellish our super cute goosey door hanger that came in the February Max supply box. Love this. It's just darling. We're going to add a bow, a little bit of florals left over, and get to work. So I've already pre-cut our ribbons. They are 8 inches long, and I did dovetail the ends, which means I folded this in half. I took my scissors and I cut on the fold up towards the edge to make pretty little finished edges here. Okay, and I am using our Easy Bow Maker. I'm using the baby one. If you don't have this one, because they don't make them anymore, you can use the small piece on your Easy Bow Maker, your big one. You know, there's a little dowel, and then the 2 tall ones. You can use the space between the little dowel and the first tall one. Okay, or you can just lay them flat. I think the end product looks a lot better if we stack them like this in the bow maker. So 8 inches long, dovetail both ends, scrunching up the center. I'm using this ribbon. This came in the supply box as well. Look how cute it matches with the vine on the door hanger. Super cute. So I'm going to go crisscross here. Crisscross. So you can see the vine. It's going to cover up some of the florals that we're putting in. Not a lot, just a little bit. Of course, we don't want to cover too much up in this cute little guy here. And then I'm going to take, so we have 3 different colors and then a multi-stripe. So let's see what we're going to look best here. I'm going to go with the polka dots, the stripe, and the purple. Let's see which side is the front. This might be the front. Nope, this is the front. And the purple. Okay, just like that. It looks cute all just like that even, but let's add one more layer. And let's keep these the same and keep the purple in the center, I think. Let's just see how that turns out. Let's go. I'm going to go with the polka dot opposite, the stripe opposite, and maybe we'll put these in first and then the purple. Let's see. No, we'll put the purple in first. Purple in first. And then these little guys. Now you could do this a mix. Typically I do this a mix of wired ribbon and non-wired ribbon. This is all wired ribbon, which is totally fine. I just like the way, you see how it stacks? It's nice like that. It just turns out, it looks so much better when you're using the bow maker. Again, you don't have to use this kid. It's made for hair bows actually. You don't have to use this one. You can definitely use the front part of your Easy Bow Maker, your normal size one. I am adding a zip tie to keep this nice and tight. And I'm going to make sure that that zip tie kind of goes on the side because I don't want that to be, this is going to go flat on the door hanger, so I don't want the head of that zip tie to be kind of in our way. So I'm going to put it on the side, which is totally fine. Okay, now you have this nice little layered look. Just going to fluff it out so you can see them all. And then we still want to make sure we cover that zip tie since we put that zip tie right in the center. Now I took a mix of florals. That's cute. That is super cute. I took a mix of florals. Yellow, pink, and purple. Let's go ahead and add this right to the center as well. Or should we use the vine, actually? Maybe we should bring that vine up to the front. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to bring the vine up to the front. Very subtle. I'm going to take that wire out so it doesn't poke me. Very subtle. Oh yeah, that's cute. I get really excited over this kind of stuff, y'all. Sorry. That is darling. I love that right to the front. Let's add a little bit of a wire. Actually, let's add a pipe cleaner so it's a little bit thicker. Okay, I'm going to add a pipe cleaner. We'll hide it, don't worry. I'm going to add a pipe cleaner. And I'm just going to let it stick out like this. And, oh goodness. All right, well, I'm going to let that, I plugged it in, I didn't turn it on. So I'm going to let that warm up and we'll make our little floral first. So just remember, this is going to be on the top here. Super cute. Let's go ahead and add our hanger. So all I did was take a piece of rope, I taped the ends, I knotted the end, and I added some wood beads to both sides so that I can add this to the actual door hanger. And I'm going to hold it where I want it to hang. I'm going to just hold it. See where it dangles nicely from. I think this is good. I think this is good. So let's just see if my little board could go that far. Totally good. All right. I'm going to add a tiny bit. Not that I need it, I don't think, but I'm just for security. I'm going to add a tiny bit of, this is just the back of a ribbon spool. Y'all, the door hangers that come with the supply boxes are exclusive. They are so nice. Always matching and coordinating with the box. Absolutely love it. Totally love. Great sellers, both in person and in my Etsy shop. Sell at a boutique as well. All right, a little leftovers, a little bit of leftovers, okay? A little bit of leftovers never hurt anybody. A little bit of leftovers never hurt anybody. And I love that these both have 2 blooms each. These were also from Deco Exchange. Love, love these. And I'm going to just take first of all, where are we going to put this? Because it's going to be big. Where's it going to go? Well, maybe it's going to be too big for what we have going on here. Maybe I can omit some. Let's keep the pink in the, yellow. Because we have purple in the bow. Remember, it doesn't have to go, it could go like this. We can cover that up. I don't really want to, but we can, and we're gonna. That's a cute little spot for it. It's a cute little spot. I mean, sometimes you might be like, too much, right? But let's just go ahead and love through this because it is cute just like that. I put those really, really close. And maybe we could glue the purple flowers on here because this might not be close enough. And then we'll have to, you know, kind of fill in. So maybe we'll still use those. Who knows? Again, I want that zip tie to be on the top so that the bottom stays flush. Okay, let's see. I'm going to cut off the length here because we don't need that extra there. So let's just go ahead so it doesn't poke through. And the other side looks decently good. Darling. And yeah, we'll definitely, let's glue those on. We'll glue them in. Love it. Okay, right around the top. And just because I know it's not going to go all the way to the back, I'm going to glue the front too, which I never do. I only usually glue the back, but it's not going to go all the way to the back this time, and I want to make sure it doesn't come undone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this attached to this. Okay. And then I'm going to use the stems and the pipe cleaner to staple to the wood. So I'm just going to make one big circle with this so it doesn't come apart. And then I'm going to use these little parts to staple into the wood. So it's going to go, like the staple's going to go on top here to staple in. Okay. And then we'll glue our little purple flowers right up in there. Perfection. Just darling. Move these around. So these are the azaleas and pink daisies. Cute. Okay. I'm going to mess it all up. Mess it all up. Mess it all up. I'm going to go under there and hunt for that little part of that zip tie. I'm sorry, the pipe cleaner and the stems. Shove that all the way up in there. Hard press down. You can also use the ribbon to anchor it in, which we're just going to do a little bit of both. The cool thing here is this also gives you space and spots to glue if you want to. I just make sure that I'm going to hang nicely. Absolutely. It's not going to hang or be heavy on one side. Love it. I'm going to go ahead and pluck these off. I'm just going to pluck them off. Put the bigger one on the bottom, smaller one on the top. So cute! I'm going to just glue it right into where all that gets touchy. Again, typically I don't glue into this part. I like saying, as many times as I can, I like saying no glue on my projects. If I don't have any glue, if I have a way to eliminate that, I like to showcase that. Love. This turned out adorable. Just super cute. Super duper cute. I love how this turned out. Again, this came with the door hanger and the green ribbon. The green ivy ribbon came with the supply box, the standard, and the door hanger came with the max box. Absolutely love the blend here. Love how it matched. And then, of course, I just took more supplies from Deco Exchange to add in and just embellish it a little bit more to be extra little cute. I hope that you are watching and following us over in design school. I'm live every Thursday night. Lots of details. I kind of do middle of the road, not too expensive, not super duper cheap, but not too expensive designs. Lots of instruction, walking through step by step. I hope you're joining us over there for more inspiration. I hope to see you again soon. Bye, y'all.